Picture yourself in the 2024 Toyota Sequoia. Prepare to be wowed by this commanding Sequoia. As a powerful, full-size SUV, it has the features you need to make family adventures fun, safe, and luxuriously comfortable. With seating for up to 8 adults, cavernous cargo space, premium infotainment tech, and towing ability, you'll be poised to take on any project or road trip with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, navigation system, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, remote engine start. You'll feel relaxed and secure on every journey in this well-built Sequoia. And our team will see that you receive an outstanding customer service experience. Why not treat yourself to a test drive today?